monitor, visor cover removable, installable, mount the antenna to the monitor, bracket of monitor, paste the bracket onto the display, tighten the back screws, tighten the screws, loosen the screw to adjust the bracket angle, sticker, install another monitor stand, bracket, installation washer, tighten the screws, adjustable angle. There is extra power cord connect to ACC, fuse, radio, etc. Plug to DC plug. Plug to cigarette lighter and turn on the red switch. Camera. Mount the antenna to the camera. The power cord. Plug to DC plug. Red wire is positive wire. Black wire is ground, negative wire. Power button. Press and hold for 2 seconds to enter split screen mode. Use plus and button keys to switch. Press the menu button to confirm. Enter to split screen. Enter for split screen. Use plus and button keys to switch screens. Cannot switch screen in single screen mode. Image flip button. Menu button. Use plus and button keys to adjust brightness. Use plus and button keys to adjust contrast. Use plus and button keys to adjust chroma. Adjust the reverse guideline. Click to enter the code mode. Press the menu button to confirm. Click the camera's code button. Press and hold the camera's infrared sensor button. Light on. Fixed camera. The current way the bracket too short to around the antenna. Remove the screws. Long bracket. Fixing screw. Now showing how to install 2 cameras. Another camera. Mount the antenna. Another power cord. Lights up to indicate that the camera is powered. The second camera recode. Successful code. Use plus and button keys to switch screens. Now showing how to install 4 cameras. First enter the 4 split screen mode. Another camera. Merging red wires. Merging black wires. Lights up to indicate that the camera is powered. The 3 camera recodes. Click the camera's code button. The 4 camera. Repeat code step. Successful code. Use plus and button keys to switch. Test camera. Turn off the monitor and pull out the cigarette lighter. Unplug the camera power. The green connector with positive and negative slot. Merging red and black wires. Loosen the screw first. The red wire is inserted into the positive slot. Tightening screw. The black wire is inserted into the negative slot. Tightening screw. Cigarette lighter. Inserted into the cigarette lighter. '1080p HD screen.